Hey boys, check it out. It's a Detroit Madman, and I'll give you a little background behind the name here so you know why I ended up changing my name on YouTube and a couple other things. I'm going to do a few more pack breaks this morning, but if you haven't noticed, my channel name was changed. Sack Preps was really never intended to be the name of anything I did on YouTube. It was a username that was set up so that I could upload some videos I had taken of some athletic stuff that was going on for Sacred Heart Prep School and just outside of Detroit. And I never did upload those videos, but because I had logged into that YouTube name the day that I uploaded my first pack break video, it just kind of stuck. I never intended to even upload anything to do with hockey or pack breaks or anything like that. The pack breaks that I did upload last year, the first time I ever did it was just a fluke, really. I was actually uploading them to show someone else the concept of downloadable content and um, collectability of virtual property and things like that. So it just turned into what it turned into. I didn't, it was kind of fun posting videos and seeing people get excited for stuff that, um, was just out there as a form of entertainment or reference to, maybe what it looked like to pull certain cards. And because I've always ripped a lot of packs, the um, the process that I do it kind of makes good for and feasible to upload pack breaks. And then throw into the fact that I think I've been extremely lucky with pulls, and I know I have been because I'm surprised at it myself. Um, Makes for entertainment. And then, I found a community on YouTube that really is interesting. I mean, the trolls and the haters are one thing, and I 99.9% of the time laugh at their comments. So, it doesn't bother me or anything when people say glitch this or, you're an asshole or fuck face or, somebody jumped on the channel yesterday and just called me a faggot for no reason, which is, you know, indicative of the world we live in on YouTube, I guess. But as this has evolved, I've always wanted to change my name back, and last night I actually found a way to do it. So I went ahead and did it, and you'll see Detroit Madman now uploading videos, and just rest assured it's me. But with that being said, and with the success I had this morning ripping a few packs, uh, the process that I wanted to explain why I never rip tons and tons and tons of packs at once is because I use my trading pile as a gauge to stop, slow down, step away. And I'm real busy anyways, so it's easy to do to just rip a few packs and then set it down for 12 hours or a day or 6 hours or come back later that evening and do it because I don't like to sit there and work the trade pile every single minute of the day. So basically, what I do is I'll rip a few packs until the trade pile's full, set all that stuff up at a decent price, get the deals back out into the market for you guys. And if you guys have ever bought stuff off of me in the auction house, you'll definitely notice that it's priced at or below market. I don't mark stuff up or, you know, put a premium on anything or tell channel subscribers to go make ridiculous offers to get more pucks. I just put it out there. I let the deals find their way to you guys, and hopefully you are able to capitalize on that. Well, with that being said, when things go my way and things are lucky, it's really cool, and that's why I like to upload the videos. In addition to um, having some success yesterday with pulling great cards, I was able to spend about 30 or 45 minutes last night, and I went out and spent about 200,000 or 300,000 bucks on cards I needed to complete collections. And as it stands right now, I'm only 1 to 3 cards away on every other collection that I need to complete. And that being said, it's almost the full NHL. I'm not going to do AHL or any of those. I just stuck with NHL, and as you can see, Anaheim is complete, and there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 more teams left to compete or to complete to get my bonuses, and I'll be doing that. And you might see a few of those teams uploaded on the bigger ones, so guys can see what the full teams look like. I definitely want to do some pack breaks. It's the last day for that Crosby out there now. That would be an awesome pull. But there's 3 cards I really would like to get my hands on right now. Obviously, the Ovechkin Team of the Week, the regular Ovechkin card, which I bid, maybe 20 or 30 times on in the last 2 days from the app even, and people just yank them off the market at the last second and waste everybody's time. So I'm probably done with that unless, the market comes down and one hits a buy it now. I don't see any need to keep chasing these when people, all they want to do is pull them off the market at the last second. So let's rip one, man. Let's see what happens. Nothing. That is absolutely nothing. We're going to get rid of all that. I don't want to see it. All right, let's go Hall. Come on, baby. Might get a couple pucks on him. Hall again. Let's do it. Not looking good. Vlasic ain't getting the job done, man. All right, let's do one more. Still not getting the job done. That's not going to do anything for us. So, let's see. All right, this will be the last pack. And then let's see if we can get a Datsu. Trade pile's almost full. Wrong pack. I guess I could bust a jumbo. I'm not using pucks though. Let's go real money. All right, boys, let's do it. Oh! Oh, yeah! That is how it's done, son. First Giroux of the year right there. Finally. I was wondering when I was going to get a Giroux. Oh, man, what a morning. All right, boys.